And what's up, beatboxing community? In this video we'll be trying to break the world record for 100 sounds, for 100 beatbox sounds. The current record is 4.69 seconds, 100 sounds. So what sounds will I use? I use this. So this is the 5 sounds combo. When I add the it becomes 6 sounds. So as you can see now, 100 divided by 6 equals 16.66. So approximately I'll have to do the combo 17 times. So 17 times to make it 100. And I'll be a little over, I think. So how I count those is frame by frame. I have 6 sound combo. I count how many times it repeats, and then I add those numbers, and when I hit 100, because it's not exactly 16.66, so I have to do 4 sounds of the combo to hit 100 at the end. So when that happens, I will cut in post. I will cut right then when I hit 100 sounds. So I go like this one. So let's do it. I'm going and start a timer. So guys, this is a live chronometer, like a live timer. I have this, do my whole screen. So this is the timer. I have added this as a thing in my OBS, so it records. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope my calculation is right and I did beat the world record. So try to beat it, try to beat my record. I'm the current holder, I think. Not sure yet. Somebody slow this down, maybe expose me or something, I don't know. I counted 100 sounds. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comments. Slow this down.